Hi, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and this is a thatching rake, but it's got many uses, and I found this invaluable. I've owned this one here for about a year and a half, 2 years now, and I have this on my website now. I find this rake, like I've said before, to be a game changer, and just to have multiple uses. Okay, so I'm underneath an evergreen tree with a whole bunch of needles. Let me show you how easy it is to pick this stuff up. It's effortless to get these off of a lawn or off of bare soil, to get the needles off. And I just wanted to show this to you. And like I say, a lot of my organic gardeners that I work for come in and help them with lawn problems that they don't know how to handle. I show them this. They want to buy my original rake right there on the spot. And but I suggest you go to my website, lawntuneups.com. On my thatching page, I'll have these. It's an Amazon affiliate link. All you gotta do is click on it. You get 2 of them for like 50 bucks, and it's not Prime, so you don't get free shipping. But I have just found this to be just a great tool. I wish that I had found this 25 or 30 years ago, and I wish this was around 25 or 30 years ago. Once again, this is Stuart. Thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye.